What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at Gimme Shelter by the Rolling Stones. We're in open E tuning, so if you don't know what that is, check it out in the link in the description. We have some tremolo and reverb on. We're going to be starting out here on the 9th fret. We're going to bar strings 4 and 5, pick 5 and then 4. Hold that bar, come over to the 10th fret and fret the 3rd string, pick that once. 11th fret, you're going to fret the 4th string, pick that once. Back to picking the 3rd string on the 10th fret once, and then you're going to pick 5, 4, 3. Very beginning part of the intro. It's going to be like this. Then I should mention there is some light palm muting going on. We come up here for the next part, 7th fret, we bar strings 4 and 5, pick through 5 and then 4. Hold that bar, come over to the 8th fret, fret the 3rd string, 8th fret, 4th string on the 9th fret. So that's that and that. And then what we're going to do is strum through strings 4 and 3 once. Then we're going to pick this this 5th string once, and then restrum this 4th and 3rd string. And then that happens 3 times. So it's going to be right after that 3rd time, you remove your ring finger and then just strum that 3rd and 4th string once. Next part is the 5th fret, and we're going to be barring strings 3, 4, and 5. And once you have them barred, you're going to pick 5 and then 4. Come over 7th fret, you're going to bar strings 3 and 4, strum through that once. Remove that, and then you're going to strum through 3 and 4 barred on this 5th fret. Then you're going to pick this 5th string once. And that part is just going to repeat 3 times, and it's basically just going to be right after that 3rd time. All you're going to do is pick the 5th string once, and then strum through the 4th and 3rd string. From there we move down to the 7th fret, and we bar strings 3, 4, and 5 there. And we're only strumming the 4th and 3rd string to start that out. We're going to hold that bar, come over to the 8th fret, fret the 3rd string on the 8th fret and 4th string on the 9th fret. You're going to strum through strings 4 and 3 once, and then you're going to strum through strings 4 and 3 barred on that 7th fret once, and then you're going to pick this 5th string once, and that's going to finish it up. And then it has some variations after that.